Guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars. Cool, trick, and affordable ways to do things, and simple ways. Today is Sweet Project Cars Sweet Sunday Share. We don't do reviews. You don't need to watch a bunch of videos to figure out which tools to buy. We're sharing with you the tools that we use, and all you have to do is go buy them because they are amazing. We're not going to share with you anything that we don't personally use. These right here are amazing. Now, we had somebody ask about them. This is an amazing kit. It gives you everything you need. You can use it on wood, metal, it doesn't matter. Every one of these twist locks, it's got a different grade to it, different courses on it. Great for removing rust with Boomzilla, and you use it with this little rig right here. Just take that, hold that down, twist that off. Really fast. It comes with its own attachment tool right here. Let's say we want to buff something up. It's got buffing wheels in it. We want to make the chrome in a tight area shine, or the aluminum. We want to remove some rust. Let's take one of these out right here. You just put it on, twist it, and you're ready to go. Take this magic marker, awesome. You're going to love these. It's everything you need in one package, and it's extremely affordable, and they last. We've never had one of these come off. I have to share with you this bench grinder and this pedestal. Unbelievable tool right here. We are so glad we have this. We've put it through its ringers, and it works great. The wire brush, the grinding wheel that they give you are awesome, and it's extremely quiet. It's the Jet. They make some of the best tools out there, and the pedestal is amazing. It's quite heavy. You can bolt it down to the floor right there. It has a water tray here to cool off your parts that you're grinding on, and the wire brush works fantastic. Make sure you always have safety glasses on when you're operating one of these rigs right here. Nice little tray right here to set your stuff on. You will love this, I promise, and if you have anybody to complain to about it, come to us, because I'm telling you, it is an amazing little tool. It will save you so much time, and we're not being paid a dime to share this with you.